Now, last quarter may have been record-breaking, but it's over. Paul Gordon joins me now to look at what strategies are recommending for this quarter. Paul.
That's the problem, Linda. You can't trade the middle of the chart, I'm afraid. You've got to look at the end. So here's what strategists have been saying in the last 24 hours or so about what to do this quarter. UBS says buy financial stocks. It says a steeper yield curve allows banks to boost profit, in effect by borrowing low and lending high. The curve is the difference between the yield on short-term and long-term debt. Financials were the best performing of the S&P 500's 10 industry groups last quarter. They were, though, the worst performers in 3 of the last 4 quarters. So something of a turnaround story. Examples of tools you can use, well, look at the Vanguard Financials ETF, up 26% in the last 3 months. And also, if you like risk, try the ProShares Ultra Financial. That aims to pay double the daily movement in the S&P 500 Financials Index. It was up 43% in the last quarter. Remember, these are suggestions. They're not recommendations. Do your homework. More recommendations out there. Gloom, Boom and Doom author Marc Faber says investors should buy shares of Asian markets, including, he says, Japan, though preferably on dips. He more specifically recommends commodities and tourism stocks. Meanwhile, on a related theme, Citigroup has raised its weighting on Chinese stocks while it's cut Malaysia to underperform. As for China, we'll take a look at the Spider S&P China ETF, ticker GXC, up 31% in the last 3 months. Also consider a proxy like China Life Insurance, which invests in Chinese stocks. It lagged last quarter, up less than 12%. That may be one that plays a bit of catch-up. If you do insist, though, on staying with the US, Linda, here are the analyst forecasts for the S&P 500 for the end of this year. On average, analysts looking for about a 5% upside. The high comes from JP Morgan, forecasting 20% up. The low, an 18% decline. That one comes from Barclays. But I hope they're not right if you're long. Linda.
All right. Paul Gordon, thank you.